Welcome to our channel. If you want to protect your medical privacy, follow these step-by-step instructions to understand and exercise your HIPAA rights. Step 1. Understand what HIPAA is and who must follow it. The Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act protects your medical information held by healthcare providers, insurers, and their business associates. Step 2. Know that you have the right to access your medical records. Healthcare providers must give you copies of your records, usually within 30 days of your request. Step 3. Request amendments to your medical records if information is incorrect. While providers may deny changes, they must add your statement of disagreement to your file. Step 4. Obtain an accounting of disclosures to see who has accessed your health information. You can request a list of everyone who received your records in the past 6 years. Step 5. Request restrictions on how your information is shared. While providers don't have to agree to all restrictions, they must honor requests to not share information with insurers for services you paid for entirely out of pocket. Step 6. Choose how you want to receive communications from healthcare providers. You can request that they contact you via specific phone numbers, addresses, or secure email. Step 7. File a complaint if you believe your privacy rights were violated. Contact your provider's privacy officer first, then file with the Department of Health and Human Services if needed. Step 8. Review privacy notices from healthcare providers and insurers. These documents explain how your information may be used and your rights under HIPAA. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.